Oh, it's a nice day at the beach today. What do you do that for? Because we're having fun. The reason why I came to the beach is so I can relax. Hey, do you want to go for a swim? No. Look at that. Looks nice. I'm gonna jump in. Oh, it looks nice. Wow. It looks very nice. But I'm not gonna go all the way in because there's a camera behind me that won't let me go in. Yeah, this is nice. Oh, I got a little bit wet. Oh, I'm just gonna go back up to my friends. How was your swim, Waddle? Well, it was nice, but I didn't get to do much. Hey, what shall we do? I think we should make a rock pile and then throw it all at Freddy. No, anything but that. Right. There we go. Right, let's throw it at Freddy. Right, we have one each. Right, I'll go for the little one. Aye! Right, I'll go for the medium one. That missed. Right, I'll go. Ow! Alright, I bet he's gonna hit it. Ow! Stop doing that, you guys. You're not. I hope you drown in the sea. Don't say that. There's younger kids watching. I'm gonna go again. Right, let's go in. Let's go in again. Oh yeah, this is good. I think I might go for a long. Yeah. Right, let's stay for longer this time. Oh, I think I better run. Surface is coming to the surface. It's coming to the surface.